Hey, what's up guys? I'm Rob Ace and I'm here to teach you how to make your own custom Cricut designs.
To start things off, you want to find some inspiration. So I usually go on Pinterest.com to find some artwork that would look good on the jacket. So if you want something quick and easy, I suggest you look up pre-made stencils. Now, I type in anime stencils, a bunch of simple designs pop up with maybe one or two colors that the Cricut can easily recognize and cut out without a whole lot of edits. I decided to make a 3-layer stencil based on a show called Naruto with the symbol from the show. Once you find the design you want, head on over to Pixlr.com. It's a free picture editor that you can use to make quick tweaks to your photo. Upload your photo and adjust any problems with the photo that may make it difficult to cut out. In this case, the photo has a bunch of little dots that I had to erase to make it a clean cut. I used the paint tool to erase and correct any of the rough areas and the zoom tool to get the finer details. Make sure you save it as a PNG file for the best quality. Once that's done, open up the Cricut design space to get the photo ready to cut out. Click the upload button in the left-hand corner to upload your file and then press continue. Now all you have to do is click on all the colored portions of the photo, including the white, and leave the black outline. Feel free to use the zoom feature to get some of those finer details. Then you just hit the continue button. Once finished, click the operation button at the top of the toolbar and change it to basic cut, and then adjust the size of the cutout. The lines on the grid closely match the size of the cutting mat, so use that for reference. Click the make button and then ensure that the image is mirrored, especially if it has any type of text, because if you don't, it'll show up backwards. Then click continue. Now it's time to get out your vinyl, cut off a strip of it, and then place it shiny side down on the cutting mat. Then you turn the spinning knob on the device towards the vinyl setting. If your Cricut is set up correctly, the bottom left button with the arrows will start blinking. Slide your mat into the slots near the center of the Cricut and press the blinking arrows to load your mat. The middle button will start to blink, and then once pressed, it will begin cutting your image. Now all you have to do is just repeat this process for each of the layers. So in my case, I had to print 3 times for my 3-layer stencil. Now that you got everything cut out, begin removing all the vinyl that is not the correct color. Use your weeding tool to peel up the vinyl until only the details of that color are left. Now, use your original image as a reference to make sure that you don't cut off the wrong parts, which can ruin the image and make you waste more money. The last step is to iron on your image and begin to layer the colors. I usually do all the background colors first, and then work my way up to the details. Center your image on the fabric and then place your wax paper on top of the vinyl to prevent melting the plastic, and then iron on the vinyl based on the instructions that came with it. Now this is how mine came out. This is actually the first jacket I made using my Cricut, and I love the way it came out. So what do you guys think? If you like it, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, and if you love it, go ahead and tap that subscribe. And as always, I hope to see you again soon.